Can you recover your Facebook dating data?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to address a common concern among Facebook dating users. Can you restore your Facebook dating data after it's been cleared?
What is Facebook dating?
Facebook dating is a feature within the Facebook app that allows you to build a separate profile from your main Facebook page. It's designed to give you a more focused dating experience by presenting matches based on your preferences, interests, and other actions you take on Facebook.
Can you recover deleted Facebook dating data?
Unfortunately, once your Facebook dating data has been cleared or deleted, it cannot be restored. According to Facebook's policies, when you delete your Facebook dating profile, all conversations and data associated with it are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered.
Why can't you recover deleted Facebook dating data?
This is because Facebook's design is based on the principle of user privacy and data security. Once you decide to clear your Facebook dating data, they respect your decision and completely remove this information from their servers to ensure there are no privacy breaches.
What can you do to prevent data loss?
To avoid losing your Facebook dating data in the future, you could consider not deleting your dating profile, or if you must, making a record of important conversations or details before you do. Remember, though, be respectful and conscious of the other person's privacy when doing so. In conclusion, once your Facebook dating data is cleared, it's gone for good. As such, make sure you're ready to lose all that information before you decide to delete your profile. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding how data management works in Facebook dating. If you have more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Thanks for watching.